An update now to a 6 News investigation. An accused car thief faced a judge today. Dallas Waters is charged with felony theft and criminal trespass. He is 41. As we told you last night, he's accused of breaking into the insurance auto auction near Springfield several times and driving off with a dozen vehicles. Many have been recovered. A Sarpy County judge set bond at 10% of the $25,000, so Waters will need $2,500 cash to be released before his next court appearance.